You are investing in more than a combine harvester. You are investing in unlimited possibilities, in intelligent systems for greater efficiency. Even in variable harvesting conditions, you get constant throughput with minimum fuel consumption. The CMOS Intelligent Assistance System ensures optimal quality of work at all times. Even in demanding harvesting conditions, your CLAAS combine harvester can handle every scenario thanks to the best components and most advanced technologies. More than a machine. CLAAS combine harvesters.